Seedance 2.0 is finally released to the public and it's available on most platforms, but I'm going to show you where to get it for a lower price, and I'm going to show you how you can create insane videos using the Seedance 2.0 model. So without further ado, let me show you what it's capable of.
Spark Sip. Awaken your energy.
The video ad that you just watched was created entirely using Seedance 2.0, and the platform that we're going to be using today is called HIX AI. I found out that HIX AI is one of the best platforms I've been using so far for various reasons, and these are the ease of use and other features that I'm about to show you when we get to it. Seedance 2.0 has proven to be the best AI model out there because I can easily create insane video clips, and as you can see, this one, I was able to keep consistency of all my characters, including the environment. So you're going to notice that in the room that he was sitting in, it was all consistent. Even the props and the objects, everything was literally consistent throughout. And I dare you to find something different about his look, or even the other character, the squirrel, or the environment, which is his workspace. It was important for me to keep everything consistent without drifting. And so step number one was using ChatGPT to generate my master prompt, in which I use my custom GPT. And by the way, this is available for everybody for free. This will help you generate master prompts for all your projects, and you can just use it by clicking the link in the description below. And before I move forward, there's a surprise for you towards the end of the video, so keep watching until the end so you don't miss out. Step number two was generating all my images to keep everything consistent, including characters and the environment. So to get started, what you want to do is simply click on the AI image below the text box right here, and then what you want to do next is simply select your AI model. They have a lot of models that you can choose from. For me, I just chose Nana Banana 2, and then next up is adjusting your aspect ratio. So I'm going to go for 16:9. The quality that I used was 2K. You can also choose that right here. The output number, you can choose up to 4. For me, I only kept 1. Now I'm going to take you to my image generation process for this specific project because I want to show you how I did things a little bit different here if you want to be professional creating videos. So the first step was for me to create my character sheets. And so the way how I did things differently in order to keep my characters consistent was uploading my characters, of course, as a reference. As soon as I generated my first scene, which is this one right here, I had to upload the character sheet, including the image of my previous scene, just so that I tell AI, this is how the room looked like, and this is what I want in my upcoming generation. So what you're going to notice here in the next scene, that we have everything literally consistent about the room props, the objects, and everything, including the character. Here's my recommendation. First of all, you got to upload your character sheets, and then you can either upload 1 or 2 images of your previous scenes in order not to make the AI assume what the environment or the characters look like. One of the cool features that I wanted to show you within the generator are the editing features available. When you click on any of your generated images, you're going to find a few buttons at the top right here. One is allowing you to upscale your image. Next is you can expand the environment. You have the erase option that allows you to erase unnecessary objects, and then you have remove background, and then the AI background allows you to swap the environment for a different background. Step number 3 was simply generating my video clips, and here's what I did different as well about generating my videos in order to lengthen or extend my videos without breaking any of my scenes. As soon as you choose your AI model as the aspect ratio and all the other settings, here's what's going to happen. You click on the plus sign and say I'm going to upload scene number 1. You're going to notice something really cool, which is the image editor, allowing you to do a couple of things. One is you can literally just crop the image in different aspect ratios depending on where you're going to post the video. Another cool feature is that you can also use the slider right here that allows you to zoom zoom in into your image just like so. Once you're all set, you just click on OK, and then you're going to notice something really cool is that you have the end frame. Using Seedance 2.0, that means you have the option to use the start and end frame, which is going to help you extend and lengthen your videos without breaking any of your scenes. Now I'm going to click on the end frame button right here. I'm going to go for scene number 2. Same thing, you have the editor. If you're happy, you click OK, and then you're just going to paste your prompt, and then you click on animate, and you're going to have your video ready in a matter of seconds. Now here's how we can extend our scenes without breaking them and start from where we left off. Now that we've generated our first scene or video clip, it means we're going to click on the plus sign. This time we're going to choose the scene number 2. The reason we're choosing scene number 2 is because this is the last frame of our previous scene. That's where we left off. Next, we're going to click on the end screen right here. We're going to go for scene number 3, and then we hit OK. Now we're ready to extend our video by pasting the prompt, and this is going to be the same process onwards until we finish our project. Another cool feature that I wanted to show you about editing your video clips as soon as they're generated, you can simply just click on any of your video clips right here, and you're also going to notice a couple of editing features that's going to show up on the top left. You have the option to upscale your videos up to 4K, and this is really amazing. I love that, and I tried it, and it's so incredible. The next one is removing background, which means that you can remove the background of your video clip to turn it into a transparent, and then obviously you can replace it with another background using any editor. Now here comes the surprise I wanted to tell you about. Using Seedance 2.0, it means you can generate videos up to 15 seconds. Yes, you have the option to generate videos from 4 seconds all the way to 15 seconds in one go using a single prompt if you're going to use the text to video method, or you can also use images to turn them into video clips. So I went ahead and generated an amazing video. It's a fight scene. Let's go ahead and watch it together. That was so incredible, and I used the text to video method, so you can see here this is my prompt, and I have some good news for you that I'm going to share with you my master prompts for both projects so you can follow along and try it out yourself. I'm going to leave links to all of this in the description below and in the comments so you can easily access all my prompts and follow along and have fun creating. HIX AI is currently offering a special offer on the annual plan, so you can get up to 50%. This means if you go for the HIX AI Unlimited, you're going to get 50% off for this one, where you're going to have unlimited standard credits that you can use on their basic AI tools. You're also going to get 2,400 credits that you can use for top tier AI models like Seedance 2.0, Kling 3.0, and other professional AI models. And of course, you can sign up for free to test it out and see how it goes. They'll give you a few credits just to see how it works for you. But my recommendation is go for the HIX AI Unlimited. You get 50% off. This is the one I'm on right now. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.